Getting food in Vietnam is very easy, and you can find a wide range of dishes and restaurants pretty much everywhere. If you are hungry and don't have much time because you are busy, tired, or just lazy, Vietnammm is the perfect app you need to order your meal. The app is available in Vietnamese and in English, and it is very easy to use. This video will show you in a few steps how to use Vietnammm to order a delicious dinner. First, enter your location. Select your district name or your city. You can also let the app find your location automatically to save time. On the top of the screen, you can choose whether you want to pick up your food from the restaurant or have it delivered to your door. Restaurant selections will appear on the screen. It will show you the estimated delivery time and price of delivery. You can search for different types of cuisine if you are looking for something specific. You can also use the map to see where the location of the restaurant is. You can also use the sort function to arrange by price, best match, etc. Once you have selected a restaurant, click on it and you will see the menu, deals, reviews, and info. Some restaurants have a minimum order amount for delivery. You can check this in the info part. Select your food, choose any extras, and make sure to click the plus sign to add it to your basket. When you have finished your selections, press the basket button and head to the checkout. Fill in your delivery address and personal details and then select the payment method. If you choose cash on delivery, make sure you select the right amount so they can bring the correct change for you. Make sure to use a Vietnamese phone number so that they can call you when they're about to deliver. Click Order and Pay. Once the order is confirmed, you will usually be able to track its progress. They will provide you with an estimated delivery time. Enjoy your dinner!